New leadership often leads to the belief that brand narrative must completely change direction. The short answer is that it's not always necessary, and here's why. A fresh narrative can obscure deeper alignment challenges. The real question isn't just about rewriting the brand story, it's about how to leverage brand as a guiding system, and that's where brand strategy gets misunderstood. Many business leaders believe that new leadership requires a full brand reset. It feels like the cleanest way to set direction, and you often hear it framed in leadership discussions as new leadership, new narrative, let's just start again from zero. Or if I'm going to be accountable, the story must change to mark the new direction. Both of these views promise a fresh start fast, but the reality is that this assumption hides a deeper misalignment. It sounds decisive, yet it often fixes the label, not necessarily the substance behind it. To understand that, let's explore 3 ways that this belief can silently cost organizations. The fix can work, but only when it expresses real choices. So the first way is commercial. Full resets often distract sales and marketing teams and confuse buyers. You can end up creating a dip in opportunities just as expectations rise under new leadership. The second area is operational. Teams end up chasing new language without aligning offers, pricing, and priorities. So execution can fragment, delivery can slow down, and accountability can blur. And the third lens is cultural. People feel that their work has been erased, or engagement tends to drop because your best people look for clearer leadership elsewhere. So all this to say that it's not just about rewriting the story, it's about rearranging the slides while the operating model stays the same. Direction has to come from real choices that language should follow, not necessarily lead. With this in mind, you need a smarter strategic move, one that preserves equity while setting a clear path. The shift really happens when you stop seeing brand as communications and use it as a decision system that aligns choices. Brand can then become the thread that connects leadership, intent to market proof. And in practice, this can be achieved in 3 simple ways. The first is to anchor the narrative in your strategy, your choices on where to play, how to win, and what you'll stop. The second is to set a cross-functional review that links brand decisions to product, sales, and marketing plans. And the third is to evidence the narrative with real proof, such as customer outcomes, independent reviews, and measurable performance across periods. So in summary, the most effective teams don't just stop at a brand refresh, especially under new leadership. They pause, they reframe, and they rebuild brand as a system that carries strategy into every decision.